everyone, welcome to the vlog. It's Mel here for another daily vlog. I hope everyone's well today and excited about joining me on my trip down to Kyneton. It's about 9:20 something a.m. I'm here in the car with Camille. Hello. Hi. And we are just driving down to the station, and I'd better stop filming without my seatbelt on because I'll get arrested. There we go. Okay. Seatbelt is on. So yeah, all organized. Me organized, that's a joke. And ready to go. Here's Darcy. Hi Darcy. Say hi YouTube. Well, hi YouTube. So it's going to be a long day of sitting on trains and buses. Hi, this is Mel Stevens. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My guide dog Darcy and I would like to teach you all about blindness. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and get all of my updates. And no speaking. I just did a little bit of footage from the bus trip, and there will be similar footage from the train trip when we eventually get on. So guys, we are finally in Swan Hill Station. We got here about 5 minutes ago. Here's Darcy. You a good boy? Are you a good boy? So we've just, he's just had a wee, so we're going to go inside to the station now. I'm going to go to the toilet and get him some water as well. Okay guys, so I'm standing on the platform. I'm waiting for the locomotive to come back. Darcy and I have just sort of refreshed ourselves a little bit, both been to the loo. He had a small drink. I'll get something when we get on the train. So I'm just going to show you the engine coming and pulling onto the carriages. And I'm so hot, I should not be wearing this jacket. Come on. Come on. Issy? Good boy, off you go. Better? Good. So just a quick little update. I'm first of all going to explain that second lot of music and not much other sound. That was some action from out the window of the train as we travel from Swan Hill down here to Kyneton. So I hope that my sighted viewers enjoyed that, and any of my vision impaired viewers, if you guys enjoyed the music, I hope you did. So it's like 8:45 at night. I'm just about to have a cup of tea and settle down for the evening. I'm going to try and get yesterday's video uploaded now, so I'm going to close this one out and try and edit this one as well so that I can do a double upload this evening. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys. Tonight at the club, I had a win. So here is my win from the club tonight. I won at the Kyneton Bowling Club. I won the pork tray. So I've got a little tiny thing of roast pork. I've got 4 pork spare ribs, and I've got some pork sausages there as well. And all of this meat, we have 2 kind of different butchers that donate to the bowling club for the meat raffle every evening, or every week, sorry. And this week it was actually the butcher that we use, Sizzling Sensations, who donated the meat. So that was awesome, having a whole heap of meat from the butcher that, well, I suppose I shouldn't really say we, mum and dad, use. So that was fantastic. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.